Welcome. In front of me is a iPhone XS clone, and I'll show you how to insert the SIM card. So if you're having trouble like me, kind of getting that SIM tray out of there, because in a normal circumstances you just put it in something there to push the tray out like so, but as you can see, it just doesn't come out all the way. So you need to basically hook it in this case and pull it out like so. And once it's out, you just put in the card like normally and slide it back in there. Don't worry, it probably won't be sitting flush like it should, so no big deal there. And put in the PIN number, which oh, it didn't get it. Okay, and as you can see, now it's all working. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.